Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change date of birth on Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook app. After you come across this home page, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then click on Settings and Privacy option. Click on the Settings option once again. Now go to Personal Details. Here click on Date of Birth option. Then tap on Edit button. Now remove the previous date of birth and add in a new one. Click on the Set option. Then tap on Save button. And if you're sure, click on the Confirm option. And that is how you can change date of birth on Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.